Hey folks, welcome back. In this video we're going to go over celestial bodies, so let's get started. Now to kick off section 2 on space exploration, we're going to start by looking at celestial bodies, and it's really just a list of definitions to learn. So it starts by saying that a celestial body is a natural object in the sky such as a planet. The following table lists the main celestial bodies and their definitions. So the first definition is for planet, and that's defined as an object that does not undergo nuclear fusion but orbits a star. We then have a dwarf planet, which is an object that orbits a star and is similar to a planet but is not large enough to clear its orbital path of debris. And a good example of a dwarf planet would be Pluto, which you'll likely know used to be classified as a planet. But the reason it's not anymore is because it doesn't meet the criteria that a planet needs to meet to be called a planet. And that criteria is that it doesn't clear its orbital path of debris. We then have an exoplanet, which is a planet outside of our solar system that orbits a star. And a good way to remember that is that exo means outside of. So it's a planet outside of our solar system. Moving on, we have a moon, which is a natural object that orbits a planet. Now, instead of the word object, you could say the phrase a natural satellite of a planet, and that's the phrase that you'll see in the marking scheme for exams. So a moon is a natural satellite of a planet. We then have asteroids, which are objects orbiting the sun that do not fulfill planetary criteria. And we define a star as a large ball of hot gases that is undergoing nuclear fusion and emitting electromagnetic radiation, i.e. light. And for the sun, we define this as the star at the centre of our solar system, and hopefully that's quite an easy one to remember. For solar system, we define this as a central star orbited by planets, and it doesn't just need to be our solar system, there are others that exist. We then have a galaxy, which is a cluster of gravitationally bound stars, gas and dust clouds. And lastly, the universe, which is the largest known entity. This consists of many galaxies separated by empty space. Now, a good way for you to try and remember these definitions for the exam would be to make flashcards. So write down the word or term on one side and the definitions on the other side and see if you can try and learn them. However, if you don't want the effort of having to make your own flashcards, then you can subscribe to my website, mrmitchellphysics.co.uk, where you'll find all of these definitions amongst hundreds and hundreds of other flashcards for the entire National 5 exam. That's all for this video, folks. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.